my dear children. This is a new unit, that is fourth unit, social impacts. Social impacts of wireless communications. Nowadays, people are using mobile or wireless communication for the following: for business, governance, learning, socializing, and also for entertainments. Coming to the business, we can sell and buy goods via internet. We can market a product using websites or YouTubes. We can advertise our product. We can account, also we can do auditing of a business through internet. We can conduct employee meetings and conferences through wireless networks. We can collect and store the details of a product, customers, as well as staff using wireless or mobile communications. We can care the customers for maintenance of our product. We can also do banking through internet. Coming to the next, these are all some common e-commerce websites used in India for various business purpose. Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Jabong, Paytm, Snapdeal, etc. There are millions of websites are available for doing e-commerce, that is electronic commerce. It includes selling and buying as well as accounting and purchasing, marketing. Everything related to a business can be done through internet. The next one is governance. Nowadays, we need not to go for a government office for a particular government service. They were rendering government services to civilians through e-governance. The quality interaction with the government staffs and the citizens can be done through internet. It reduces cost of running a government. It reduces administrative corruptions. That means there is no middleman between a civilian and governance through e-governance. Reduction of process time. The last one is thereby it increases the growth of economy. The following are some e-governance websites. It's a Ministry of India, then Kerala TSC, IRTC, KCB, and the Defense. These are few examples for e-governance websites. Thereby we can get the government services through internet. The next one is learning. Nowadays, the teachers and the students are learning and teaching through online only. The benefits are we can have 24/7 hours learning. The quality teachers and study materials we can get. Real-time training and assessment can be done. It reduces cost of educations. It also collaborates various universities and scheme of studies. It also provides online certifications for courses and trainings. These are some websites which is used for e-learning. Byju's app, Bright Tuty are e-learning websites examples. Like that, we are having millions of e-learning websites nowadays. Coming to socializing, it is very familiar word for you people, I know that. A social media, as we all are social being, we love to socialize with people. Social media makes it easier to make and meet friends. It helps us to find a common ground for any kind of discussions. Common ground. Keeping yourself occupied when you feel alone. It fosters empathy always. Using internet and its application, many social issues may be resolved. We can take survey for various plans and projects. We may get different ideas for doing projects. It allows speedy communication with a massive audience. A speedy communication with a massive audience. That is one of the most important benefit of social media and socializing through internet. We will get massive audience and speedy communication can be done. It helps us to render and excel our talent and also to get appreciations like TikToks and any other software that you know. For rendering your skills and talents, thereby you can excel as well as you can get appreciations and also the followers. It makes world seems smaller. These are some social media networks or websites. The first place is for Facebook, then Instagram, nowadays TikTok also. Coming to the entertainment parts of internet, it allows critical thinking. It enhances the cognitive functions of human brain to enhance in a well manner. Both younger and elder get entertained with online games. It allows us to have touch in TV channels even in travels. We can keep in touch with radio channels. It allows to get money after winning online games. It allows us to make friends even for playing. It allows us to get notifications about different games and sports. It kills the time very quickly. That's why we are going for entertainments. It can kill the time in a very quick manner. As you all know, these three things, the first one is PUBG screen, the second one is Hotstar, where we are getting every TV channel, serials, movies, etc. and news channels also. Then a website which is for rummy playing, thereby you can get money. I think you are all clear about the areas in which internet impacts the social beings. Thank you.